Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sithibut Velativong. I'm from 3/1 in Tremadom Siksa Patanakan School. As you can see, there are many stuff in this world that helps us with learning. There are internet, there are television, there are mobile phones, or there are even computers. But these things will not help us with learning if we don't have one most important thing, learning culture. I'm going to separate my topic into 4 main parts. First, I'm going to talk about its meanings. Next, I'm going to tell you about how is this learning culture important. After that, I'm going to talk about the benefits. And lastly, I'm going to tell you how can you create your very own learning culture. Let's start with our first topic. What is learning culture? Learning culture is the way that helps us improve and learning in groups while sharing information, our experiences, and help others solve their problems. This is all I have to say about its meanings. Next, I'm going to talk about its importance. Learning culture is really important because learning culture helps us improve in either a friendly way, that means in a group, in a classroom or organizations, or in a competitive ways, such as in competitions or events. And learning culture cannot only be found in schools. Learning culture can also be found in colleges, in workplace, companies, or even other organizations. This is why learning culture is extremely important. Next, I'm going to talk about its benefits. It's pretty obvious that learning culture has lots of benefits. I'm gonna list some of them. 1. As I said earlier, learning culture helps us learn and improve. Second, you have to interact with others in big groups, having more social skills and be able to befriend some other students or other teamwork. 3. Learning culture helps us to improve by solving the problems, answering the questions, investing your thoughts, etc. These are the benefits of learning culture. Lastly, I'm going to talk how can you create your very own learning culture. As I said earlier, learning culture is extremely important. You need learning culture to be able to help improve yourself, even if you have internet or the computers. But there are several ways to help create your learning culture. First, be proud of who you are. If you're a curious person, if you're eager to learn, if you want to answer your questions, then be proud of it because you need them later on. And what if you already have those things? You use it, value it as a path to mastery. You know that everyone have their own goals, like to be a doctor, an actor, or to be in this speech. What you have to do is you have to search for it, to keep learning and improve yourself. Improve and learn your mistakes. Next, when you trying to learn about it, you make learning more accessible. This can be done by adjusting your Google page, building boards, or making videos for others to see. Expose them. Next, when you expose them, you have to use many methods. This can be done by the video or the speech, the internet, boards, events, and competitions. Because there's no single way that helps us learn to understand everything. We need lots of methods. These are the several steps to create your very own learning culture. In conclusion, learning culture is extremely important because it helps us improve in groups, and you can create your very own right now. This is all I have to say about learning culture. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.